Alright, what's up guys? Hope you're having an awesome day and a great Thanksgiving with family and friends. So I got some good news. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for the month of December. And what I'm going to be giving away is a Milwakee M12 3H Stubby Impact. This comes with the tool, the bigger battery, as well as a small battery, charger, and a carrying case. So this is brand new. It hasn't even been opened. This is a pretty awesome tool. I actually have one of these myself, and I use it all the time, so I figured it'd be great for a giveaway item. So to enter to win this, all you have to do is like the video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and go give my Instagram a follow. And then that enters you into winning this tool. So this will be going on for the month of December, and then at the end of the month, I will most likely do a live stream where I will pick a random comment using a generator to pick the random comment, and then that will be the winner of this tool. So I will also have a link in the description that goes to this tool, and you can check out all the specs on it. They're pretty awesome, so make sure to go check that out and get yourself entered to win this. So you guys have a good one. Peace.